Hello, my name is Nathan Taylor, also known as Sockmatician, and welcome to this series of special video tutorials filmed to accompany my book, Guys Knit. This video, the first in the series, relates to the tutorial on page 40 and is all about tying a slip knot.
When tying a slip knot, it's important to make sure you've got all the right things pointing in all the right directions, and I like to make sure I have the bit that leads to the end pointing towards the right and the bit that leads to the ball of yarn pointing towards the left. The first stage, hold it between your thumbs and forefingers like that, and then you can just bring the right hand end over, making an actual loop there. So to show you that one more time, bring the right hand end over the top, making a loop which you can pinch with your right thumb and forefinger. Next thing, with these two fingers here, thumb and forefinger on the left hand, reach through the loop, grab hold of the bit that leads to the end, but don't let go over here, and then pull that through, and you have successfully created a slip knot here. If you want to change the size of your loop, all you need to do is pull on the tail end, or you can pull more slack into the loop itself. And if you want to tighten the knot itself, what you do is you tug on the bit that leads to the ball, and that will make it good and snug. And that's your slip knot.